I'll get the bad side of my face.
Yeah. Ryan got busted in the face with a wrench. Yeah, so... Pow, pow, pow! What are you doing?
I kind of really just want to drop the entire thing, but you might have to separate it.
Ryan!
It's going to be heavy.
This looks like a monster Subie!
It is.
Ryan, what are you papowing right now? What the heck's going on?
I'm just papowing, taking off all these exhaust bolts.
Exhaust bolts? What are we doing today, Ryan?
Well, I got a new exhaust.
Say what?
A full exhaust, header back.
Full header back? What? So that means what? Like the cat's gone, or what are we doing?
Cat's gonna be gone. Get rid of this crappy cat that you remember from the header video, when we pretty much had to cut it and put flames on it and.
When things don't work, light on fire. When things don't work.
Yeah, dude, this is...
It's a 1.7" pipe going into almost 3 inches back here.
Yeah, it's definitely not ideal. Yeah. Wow, this has really changed color.
Yeah, between the mudding and the rain and snow, they just got destroyed. But if you can see, a hole has developed right there.
Wow, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you can just see all the crap coming out of it too. Just all the white stuff there.
Oh, so is that making a lot of sound?
Yeah, it sounds like a leaking truck now.
Well, I mean, that's kind of cool, right?
No, it's annoying.
Oh, well, so the idea is that we've got a whole replacement for this, yeah?
Yeah, yep.
What are we replacing this with?
Over here.
What? Whoa! That is...
This is a high flow cat, so technically doesn't really have a cat.
Yo, this is beautiful. It looks so clean. Who's this by? What's this?
This is Tsudo, which is actually what I have on my axle back.
Yeah?
Is from Tsudo also.
Oh, okay.
It's like a nice eBay brand, I think.
Okay.
Tsudo.
Well, I mean, Tsudo, Nihon no namae.
Yep.
So cool.
It's got the flex pipe, which is nice, in the header.
Woo. Yeah, oh sweet, nice. Yeah, it's super beautiful.
Yep, and then the burnt tip.
Awesome.
Not really a fan of those, but
yeah,
we'll see. It might look cool.
Yo, this is gonna look super clean on there.
By the way, one more thing. This is from a 2003 2.5 RS.
Oh shoot, this isn't a 1993 Impreza?
So it technically shouldn't fit, but I think it will. The only thing, I tried to hook just this cat section up to my header, and it doesn't work because the flange is in a different part.
Okay.
But I'm hoping by using the entire header back that it will work.
Okay, so you're saying, dude, this is so funny because everything on this car is like Frankensteined on. It's like RS this, RS that, you know, WRX this, whatever, you know, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome.
That's how Subies roll.
Very cool. Yo. Thumbs up down below and let us know what you think. These guys have seen us do exhaust videos, especially on this car, before.
Yep.
So we're just gonna do it real quick, put this on there and show them how it sounds, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Sounds like a plan.
Oh yeah.
Bam.
Heads up.
Is the disconnector O2 sensor on the top?
It's plugged in from the top.
Oh, okay.
Alright, O2 sensors unhooked. Now we go back up.
I can already get the music that I'm going to be playing.
Car only has one, OBD1. Custom exhaust hanger.
This works. Oh, that's even better.
Cool, all looped up. Can you pry bar?
Nah, doesn't look like it.
Alright. Just hold it back in.
Got it? Alright, so there goes our Death Star. And that's cool. Came off all in one piece.
Yeah.
Cool. And so we're just doing a quick comparison. This is the old one, you know, it's all jacked up. It's got a hole right there. This is a new one. And clearly an upgrade. Time to rock.
Yeah. Wipe down some grease.
You are unwise to lower your defenses.
Yo. That looks super legit. Yo, I can't wait to hear what this sounds like.
Either.
Ryan, what happened to your face?
I hit myself with a wrench. Good old wrench slip.
Hazards. Working hazards.
It hurts.
Yep. Yeah. I said, do you want to hear it? Fire this sucker up.
It's so much nicer.
Yeah. Throw it up.
Ready? It's got a little raspiness to it. I don't know if I like it.
You don't like it? What?
That like crackle.
I think it sounds awesome.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Cool.
That's the test pipe, no cat, that's making that crackle.
Yo, I think it sounds mean. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Yep.
When you're working on cars, there's definitely working hazards and you don't want to get busted in the face. But if you made it this far, you like the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure you subscribe and share with all of your friends, and let us know what you think about this exhaust. I think it sounds better than before.
I like it.
So we just put a 2004 RS exhaust on a 1993.
1993 1.8 liter.
So it seems like the majority of Subaru parts are interchangeable, as long as you do the full header back.
Yeah, it won't work without the header.
Yeah, yeah, you're running into issues that way. But dude, friggin' awesome work, man.
Yeah.
You. Oh.
Cool.
Bleeding awesomeness, clearly.
Battle wounds.
Battle wounds.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time. That'll be painful if you watch that.
Yeah. Looks like you got a UFC fight, man.